exhausting. Yeah, it's been a very busy morning so far. Yeah. Ready?
Happy birthday!
And happy birthday to the FWF.
I thought that's what you were doing.
Happy birthday,
yes.
And Merry
There's
Vlogmas.
priorities, you know.
Clearly. Clearly. Well, let's prioritise you and get this done then, shall we? We found it yesterday. It's down the bottom, wasn't it?
I mean, even with glasses on. Have you shown people this?
Yeah.
Camera won't pick it up, I'm sure.
No.
It'll just fizzle and fade.
Well, what have you got today then?
Well, I say that was honey with sugar and salt. Sugar and salt. So, hazelnuts with sugar and salt.
They're not hazelnuts.
All right, almonds with sugar and salt.
There we go. No, it won't focus if there's another face available. So yes. Are they all almonds then? No, there was some hazelnuts. Oh right. He has had hazelnuts. Right. Okay. And apples.
Gorgeous. Sumptuous, delicious.
Oh, that's a new one. That's a new one.
Every-ish.
Every-ish.
More-ish.
Happy birthday. We've got 2 of these. We have no idea which is box 2 and which is box 3. You'd think that they would let us know, but so we're going to have to open them both.
Well, 50-50 chance of opening the right one at the right time.
Yeah. And then if it's not the right one, it will be very clear which is. So
If it's not the right one, it will be self-evident.
yes.
Given that this is detective, self-evident. Oh, please, come on.
Oh, with the dad jokes.
Oh, he was there again, was he?
Yeah, he just went past the window. Apparently we just had a fox.
Wow!
Yeah, it's not scrawny or anything. It's
Oh,
big
no,
and lush
yeah.
and sumptuous.
She's off, so we'll do her calendar in a minute, shall
Big
we?
and lush and sumptuous.
You're going to need to get your thesaurus out. You got given it a couple of years ago for Christmas. Oh, I can't open mine. Oh! He's not hanging about for us.
No, he doesn't.
You've done it! You've done it!
No! It's different! Why is it taking 9 days to get to it? Sorry, I saw this magic fox go past the window. It was beautiful. Very healthy. Okay, we're looking for day number 9.
9.
Yes.
Okay, I can do this.
It looks like 6, but it's got a line underneath it.
60.
Put the line there.
Yes, it's true. 10.
9.
9! Ooh, there's something in there too. As well as...
At least a sweet.
Yes!
Does it feel different?
It's sort of spongy.
Oh, okay.
I managed to wrap Danny's present in some beautiful paper with no sellotape and a lovely bow. What is this? It's like
I don't think it's very exciting, but it's from project number 2.
Wow.
It's basically felt, or kind of like a bit of wool kind of stuff, isn't it? So it's not overly exciting. But
Scratchy.
it couldn't be
It's probably an interlining.
lining of some kind.
Yes.
It couldn't be overly exciting every day.
No.
There were component parts that were less than exciting at your end. So, but yeah, I've got a little truffly heart. That's exciting. So I'm going to eat that. Oh, the dog wants attention.
She wants to go out.
Yes. So I'm going to.
You done with me?
Yeah. I'm going to try and finish off some of my coat this morning. I'm going to be making lunch for Dad and Mum, obviously. It's the crispy bacon venison burgers that we've got from HelloFresh with cheesy potato wedges and a salad, so it's going to be very nice. And then we're going to play the Detective Society this afternoon. So just because it's quite involved, and we're definitely all a little bit more compos mentis in the afternoon than we are in the evening. So that's the plan for today. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get my coat finished. I would like to, but I'm not sure it's going to happen. Mum wanted me to show you what she got Dad for his birthday. It is Furthest South from Scottish Borders to the Isle of Wight by Robin McInnes. So I think it's a very beautifully bound book, and lots of images of, I mean, art and all sorts. So yeah, she had to go and pick that up the other day. And then this morning, I've got some neutral shoe polish and some bias binding from the Specky Seamstress. So the bias binding shop is officially open, and I will link it down in the description below. Laura did send me some of this as a gift a while ago before the shop opened, and I purchased this myself because I wanted more of it, because I want to do something like the Deer and Doe Belladon with it, and the gift that she'd given me wasn't quite enough to do an entire dress, so I bought some more. I'm gonna get on with the coat, and fingers crossed I can get quite a lot of it done before I have to start cooking lunch. We shall see. Okay, I've done the first lot of top stitching around the edge of the coat, but I can't do the next set until I've done the windows for the bound buttonholes, because otherwise it will just make it too inaccessible. So that's what I'm going to do next, is the bound buttonhole windows, then the next line of top stitching, then I need to level the skirt hem on the lining, and then I can insert it. But I do need to go and cook lunch, and we're going to have birthday afternoon, so who knows when that will all get done. This is what I am attempting. This is what it's ended up looking like. So sort of close to the recipe card picture, sort of. That was a very successful birthday lunch. It was very, very good. We are all impressed. And I think we'd all have venison burgers again, wouldn't we, Mum?
We would.
Yeah.
Delicious.
And the maple bacon was a bit of a revelation. I was worried it was going to be too sweet, but oh, it was good. It was really good. So we are going to open up the Detective Society and see if we can solve stage 2 of the disappearance of, I think it's Sarah Macover. We'll see. Why are you wonky?
Aha!
I'm not going to change
Now,
it.
do we need pen and paper?
Got it.
Right.
You need to have a drink. But yes, I have managed by 50-50 fluke chance to open the second box. That's my only criticism, is there is no indication what box number is what. But if we had been following along with the monthly case, as we probably should be and will be for the next one, then obviously, you know, you'd get the second box on the second month. But I ordered 2 at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's happened. Did you enjoy your afternoon of birthday gaming?
I did, actually.
Oh, my battery's dying. 2 secs, 2 secs.
What are you asking me?
I don't think you guys have seen this room for a while, have you?
No.
No.
It's my private room.
His dad's.
Yes.
Oh, his battery's dying too.
It's my escape.
Oh gosh, let me try another one. I've oh, it's disappearing. I've given up with my camera. I am on my iPhone now, so the sound quality might not be quite so good. But when you're not hiding anymore, did you enjoy your birthday afternoon?
I very much enjoyed my birthday afternoon.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
My lunch.
Yes.
Yes. My venison burger.
Oh, it's good.
And a new discovery, a different way of doing potatoes.
Oh yeah.
And it was accidental, wasn't it?
Well,
Sort of.
The recipe was right, but it was just I put them in for longer than was told to, and they came out really well.
Yeah.
So yes.
Oh, they were amazing.
Yes, they were very good.
But I very much enjoyed it. Yes.
Yes.
And next,
the Detective Society.
what an excellent game.
It's so good, isn't it?
An excellent
So
game.
good.
And when you analyse it afterwards, it's a mountain to climb. And it's a tiny little molehill to come back down once you realise where all the clues were and so on. So therefore, it exercises your brain.
Yes.
Exercises and exorcises your brain. It's wonderful.
Yeah. There wasn't quite so much to go on this time. It was kind of like we didn't really know where to start, and when we got through it, we'd actually worked out quite a few clues. Yeah. Ahead of time, and there was one really obvious clue that it took us a while to work out. It was a physical thing, wasn't it? And it just when we actually worked out what was going on, all of us were like, "What?"
The biggest clue I thought was a free gift.
Yeah, we've already got episode number 3, and we're going to be doing that on Christmas Day. Yeah, that's Dad's Christmas present. Yeah. And there's another company called Cozy Killer, and they're doing a murder mystery weekend, and we signed up for that as well, and we're hoping that the rest of the book club that Mum and Dad are a part of will take part, as well as our Christmas book club get together, because usually we go out for a nice meal.
Anyone who does gaming or anything like that, or any of the board games or the more modern games on the computer, it makes you think, but the clues are there, and it's a great joy when you discover them, isn't it? Like trolling through the photos and picking out the bits you require and so on.
We had to text somebody, we had to email somebody, we had to use Google Maps.
There
were websites, they were flashing adverts on websites that we ignored and shouldn't have. It's very well done.
Very good.
Very well done. Very good. So there's 4 more episodes. I have 1 more. Like I say, we're doing it on Christmas Day. Yeah. Sorry, I am on my iPhone, so it's not the best quality, but all my batteries are dead. So I'm going to go and charge those and feed my cat because she's going to want dinner. So it's been a good day.
Now this room's in a disgrace because we're half packed up, ready to move, which isn't happening.
Still nothing.
No. Enough of that. Finish.
Yes. I am curled up back up at mine in my warm dressing gown. I really liked wearing that Eve dress today with the longer sleeves actually. It's kind of cemented for me that I would like to make some more of those, and maybe even with the high-low hem, because I really like that. But I was thinking about evening the hem out, just making it a bit shorter so I could cut the fabrics that I have out on the cross grain, because some of the fabrics are directional prints. So not cross grain, straight of grain, because they're directional prints, and if I cut them out in the cross grain, everything will be going sideways. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a look at straightening out the Eve skirt on the pattern that I've traced out, because I really enjoyed wearing that one today with the longer sleeves. I think I would make the sleeves ever so slightly longer, just a smidge, and I suppose I do have other wrap dresses in my stash that I probably maybe ought to go through my patterns and have a look at those and maybe try something different. But I do really love the Eve dress, and as you guys know, I can make it in a day and it fits, and I've done all the work on it, and I know how to put it together, and I just enjoy wearing them. But yeah, that was good today. So it's been a lovely day. We still heard nothing from the house sale, but one of those things. So yeah, I am currently charging my battery. I have half charged battery in the camera now, and I have my other 2 batteries down here, and I'm just gonna sit and charge all of them this evening so that all of them are fully charged, so that I won't end up in the same situation that I did today with no charged batteries. I thought I'd been really good about it. Apparently not. It's not like this is my job or anything, so yeah. But yes, we really enjoyed the Detective Society. I think that's the 3rd time I've said that to you today, but we really did enjoy it. Looking forward to round 3 on Christmas Day, and we will have Wilson's brain to help us with that as well, which is going to be very cool. So yeah, it's been a lovely day. Lovely day. Very glad I went for the dish that I did for Dad's birthday lunch. Highly recommend if it comes up on HelloFresh again. Highly recommend. Not quite got as far with the coat as I would like to, but I'm liking how it's looking. Yeah, I really like the notched collar. I really like how it's looking. I like the top stitching details that I've gone for, so I'm pleased with it. I am very pleased with it. It's gonna be another nice addition to my wardrobe. Anyway, on that note, I have waffled quite a lot, so I hope you've enjoyed our day. There will be more sewing tomorrow, so I will see you then. Bye.